Hello, my name is Michael Witts. I am a Welsh-born Australian poet. I have been under poetry spell since I was a teenager. It is for me, I think, a lifelong affliction. I am particularly proud of my collection Some Dualities, which is a finalist in this year's Proverse Prize. This is my 5th collection of poetry. I always believe poetry is writing's poor cousin. How can a slim collection of verse stand up against the robust prose of a novelist? My manuscript, Some Dualities, brings together most of the last 15 years of my poetry output. It was not written to a deadline, it was not padded out for publication. If anything, my biggest problem was to identify what to leave out. Once I settled on a common format, the collection easily settled into its current form. The poems are grouped mostly by theme. They can be read separately, but often will benefit from the poems which surround them. The collection opens with a series of poems referencing other poets who mean a lot to me. Sylvia Plath, Frank O'Hara, John Ashbery, Gary Snyder, a pretty eclectic bunch. My poems come from my own life. Often they emerge from the mundane. My children are the constant source of inspiration and joy. This collection celebrates life's ups and downs. My language is unadorned, but often there is an element of play involved. The more obscure and personal references are explained in notes to this collection. As with all poetry, the more the reader gives to their reading, the more they will get out of it. Read and reread, and the poem should continue giving up its secrets. Please enjoy this collection. Please buy copies for yourself and your friends. My eternal thanks to the Doctors Bickley and all at Proverse. Thank you for this invitation to attend the autumn reception of Proverse. Thank you.